My desk used to be covered in stands, mounts, and clutter. This one heavy-duty overhead mount solved 6 problems at once. Hey guys, today I'm unboxing my new overhead camera mount, the FC200 by Supedesk. Quick note, I have affiliate links in the descriptions below. If you decide to purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's packaged really well. There's plenty of shock-absorbing material inside, and every piece is wrapped in its own plastic sleeve to protect it from scratches. It also comes with an instruction manual. The arm itself and the C-clamp are seriously good quality, very heavy duty, actually pretty heavy in hand, and everything just looks really solid. You also get a phone holder and a ball head to mount your accessories or equipment on. It is pretty standard ball head, so if you want something fancy or more advanced, you can always grab one separately, but honestly for basic holding needs, this one does the job just fine. Putting it together is pretty straightforward. There are instructions if you want to follow along, but really all you need is the included Allen wrenches. It comes with 2 different sizes for tightening everything up. I had 0 issues putting it together, and you will probably fly through it even faster than I did. At the end, you can attach the ball head, and if you want to use it as a phone holder, just add that last piece on top. Once assembled, that's it, you are done. You can use the C-clamp to attach it to any horizontal surface, as long as there is enough of a lip to grip onto. Just double check the thickness of your tabletop first to make sure it is not too thick for the clamp. The max width is 2.95 inches. It is super adjustable too. There are label spots showing you exactly where to push and where not to, and it rotates in multiple directions. You can use the knob to fine-tune the ball head. On the middle arm, you can find a magnetic top that pops right off. You can use Allen wrench to adjust the tension, turn left to loosen, turn right to tighten, and you can actually see the tension level through a little window on the side. Here are 6 ways you can use this mount. First one, cup holder. Perfect for a water bottle, mug, whatever you need close by. Once it's tightened down, it's rock solid and keeps your desk totally clutter-free. Second way, phone holder attaches right to the end of the ball head and adjusts in a bunch of directions. Great for recording or viewing. Third way is a projector mount. This is honestly my favorite use for it. Super easy to attach and really stable since this mount can handle over 6 pounds of weight. You also got a height adjustment built in. The wrench isn't huge, but it's where when you need it. Fourth way to use it is a lighting mount. It's great for this too. Here I've got my ring light attached, but it would work just as well with LED panels or other lighting setup. Fifth way is a microphone mount for anything with a 3/8 thread. You'll just need the including adapter and you're good to go. And no matter what you attach, there are handy cable clips built into the arm to keep all your cords managed and tidy instead of dangling everywhere. As a camera mount, for this demo, I'm using a small camera, but this thing can actually handle much bigger setups, up to 6.6 pounds. Overall, this is a really flexible, heavy-duty mount that can handle just about anything you throw at it. If you're looking for one mount that does it all, this is definitely worth checking out.